Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to turn a video into a YouTube short. There's really two ways you can do it. The first way would be to, as soon as your screen comes up, to go ahead and go into project settings and then change the canvas dimensions down here to vertical, and you're going to do 1080 by 1920. And then you can change the color of the background and stuff if you want to. I just leave it at that. And because I know my recording is at 60, I'm going to go ahead and change that to 60. I'm going to hit apply, import media, and I'm going to select the video. And I'm going to drag it down here to my timeline. And what this is going to do, because I changed it to vertical before I added my video, it puts my entire video in here. So if I hit play, you're gonna see the full video in the screen. Now that's not what I like to do with my gaming shorts. What I like to do is to import my media first, which is open. And then I'll drag it down here to my timeline. We're going to go ahead and convert it to 60 frames per second. And then after I've dragged it down here, then I like to go in here and go to project settings and change it. Again, go into vertical and go into 1080 by 1920. Then when I do it, then you get this more first-person close-up view of what's going on in the screen. You don't get the sides, of course, but with a first-person shooter, this section right here is all you really need to see anyway. It's got all the relevant information. And then from there, you would just go through, once you've got it how you want it, you just would drag it through to get what you want. In this case, at some point ace. I'll make sure that, okay, so that is where I ace. So I'm going to find that part right here. I'm gonna cut from here, delete that, drag this over. Let's see. I think this video may be too long for a clip. Yeah, this one's going to be too long for me to... I got the ace, but this video is too long for me to turn into a short, sadly. But that's okay. The point of this video was to show you two different little short ways to make a short with Camtasia. I hope that helps. Of course, once you've done doing that, you just go to export, local file, and put what you want in, hit export. It's as simple as that. But that's a easy way to make a short with Camtasia. I hope that helps. See you next time.